Hi everyone. India is getting more and more startups every day. With a large potential market for almost every kind of product and services, startups are experiencing immense growth, and at the same time, investors are pouring more and more money on them. But do you ever wonder which are the companies that have the highest valuation based on market capitalization in India? So in this video, we are going to discuss the 12 most valued Indian companies based on market capitalization that come under the list of Global 500 companies. If you don't know what is market capitalization, let me describe it in simple language. Market capitalization refers to how much a company is worth as determined by the stock market. To calculate a company's market capitalization, multiply the number of outstanding shares by the current market value of one share. Companies are typically divided into large cap, mid cap, and small cap according to market capitalization only. So, in the list of 12 most valued Indian companies based on market capitalization that comes under the list of Global 500 companies, we have HCL Technologies in the 12th position. HCL Technologies Limited is a company that deals in computer programming and consultancy. It operates through the segments of software services, information technology services, and business process outsourcing services. The company was founded by Shiv Nanda on November 12, 1991. HCL Technologies is ranked at 498 among the top global 500 companies and is the 12th most valued company in India with a market capitalization of $36.6 billion. Number 11. Asian Paints. Asian Paints Limited is a multinational paint company. The company is involved in the business of manufacturing, selling, and distribution of paints, coatings, products related to home decor, and other services. Asian Paints is India's largest and third largest corporation of Asia in the segment of paints with a total market capitalization of $38.4 billion. Asian Paint ranked at 477 globally. Number 10. Bharti Airtel. It is obvious that the Indian telecom sector is in an unpredictable stage after the Jio revolution. But still, Bharti Airtel managed to hold the position of 10th most valued Indian company. It is the second largest mobile network operator in India. The total market capitalization of Bharti Airtel is $39.6 billion and it is ranked at 462 global companies with the most valuation. Number 9. Wipro. The company was incorporated on 29 December 1945 in Maharashtra by Mohammed Premji as Western India Products. Later, the name was shortened to Wipro. It was initially set up as a manufacturer of vegetable and refined oils in Maharashtra during British India. Its businesses include personal wash products, skincare products, male grooming products, toiletries, wellness products, household products, electrical wear devices, domestic and commercial lighting, and office furniture. With a global ranking of 461, Wipro has a market capitalization of $39.9 billion. Number 8. Buzzz Finance. The company Buzzz Finance deals in consumer finance, small and medium-sized enterprises, and wealth management. The market capitalization of Buzzz Finance is $46.5 billion. Number 7. Kotak Mahindra Bank. Kotak Mahindra Bank is an Indian banking and financial services company headquartered in Mumbai. As of February 2021, it is the third largest Indian private sector bank by market capitalization with 1600 branches and more than 2500 ATMs. Kotak Mahindra Bank is ranked at 380 on the list, and as of August 2021, Kotak Mahindra Bank has a market capitalization of $45.41 billion. Number 6. HDFC. HDFC or Housing Development Finance Company, the original company founded by H.T. Parekh in the 70s, is registered as a housing finance company. It deals only in home loans, mortgages, loans against property, loans to housing developers, etc. only, and not in any other kind of loan products. It is the largest HFC in the country with nearly 40% of the market share of the home loan market. HDFC ranked 301 and has a total market capitalization of $56.7 billion. Number 5. ICICI Bank. ICICI Bank was established by the Industrial Credit and Investment Corporation of India, an Indian financial institution. ICICI Bank ranked 268 on the global list and has reported a market cap of $62 billion. Number 4. Infosys. Infosys provides business consulting, information technology, and outsourcing services. The company was founded in Pune and is headquartered in Bangalore. Infosys is the second largest Indian IT company after Tata Consultancy Services by 2020. Infosys has a global rank of 163 with a total market cap of $88.5 billion. Number 3. HDFC Bank. HDFC Bank is India's largest private sector bank by assets and by market capitalization as of April 2021. It is the third largest company by market capitalization on the Indian stock exchanges. It is also the 15th largest employer in India with nearly 120,000 employees. HDFC Bank has a market capitalization of $113 billion. Number 2. Tata Consultancy Services. Tata Consultancy Services or TCS is the largest IT services company in the world by market capitalization. It is a subsidiary of the Tata Group and operates in 149 locations across 46 countries. TCS was in the first position last year. TCS reported a valuation of $164 billion. The company has reported an 18% increase in its market capitalization this year. Number 1. Reliance Industries. Reliance continues to be India's largest exporter. Reliance is responsible for almost 5% of the Government of India's total revenues from customs and excise duty. It is also the highest income tax payer in the private sector in India. With an valuation of $188 billion, Mukesh Ambani's Reliance Industries is the most valued Indian company. It ranks 57th on the Hurun list of 500 global companies in 2021. I hope this video was informative. Comment down which company should be on the list next year according to you, and also subscribe to the channel for regular videos. Thank you. See you again in the next video.